Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're making a pasta inspired by the movie Chef. Now, if you've ever seen this movie, you would know in the very first scenes of this movie, Jon Favreau makes this pasta for Scarlett Johansson. Now this pasta is really delicious and extremely easy to make, so let's just head right into it. So let's start by gathering our ingredients. Grab some high quality olive oil, grab a lemon, grab some parsley, a couple of cloves of garlic, some red chili flakes, any pasta that you would like to use. I'm using linguine here, and some salt and pepper. So the first step is to boil some water to cook your pasta. Make sure you add salt in the water. Now let's start peeling the garlic and thinly slicing it. Now don't slice this too thin or it will burn really easily. Cut your lemon wedges too so it's easier to squeeze. Now for the parsley, only pick out the leaves and the thin stems. You don't want to use the thick stems for this. We're going to be finely chopping this. Now that your pasta water has come to a boil, we can actually add our pasta in and cook it to al dente. Now before we strain our pasta, I'm actually going to take out some of the pasta water for the end, because this pasta water is really starchy and it's going to bring our pasta together. Now in a separate pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Once your oil is shimmering, you can add your garlic in. Now make sure you keep this on medium heat or medium low, because you don't want to burn the garlic. You can add your chili flakes in now too. And just keep the garlic toasted, don't burn it. If it's getting too hot, you can turn the heat off. After your garlic is toasted, you can add your pasta in. And just give it a good toss. Then squeeze in your lemon juice, put in your salt and your pepper too. And again, just mix it again. Give it a really good toss. Then we're going to add in some of the pasta water on low heat. Just give it a really nice toss again, and it'll actually bring the pasta really nicely together. And finally, add the parsley in, and again, give it a toss. Now this pasta is really good. It only took me 10 minutes to make. It's so much more better than instant noodles. So I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys try this. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching.